welcome back to Always Alyssa. How is everybody doing on this amazing day? It must be pretty amazing since you clicked on this video, so thank you for clicking, of course. And before I get started, I just want to say I've been like obsessed with trying to tidy up my room lately. Like I've just been getting rid of random stuff and I've been so sick of when it looks messy. I just have to always have it clean. So the only thing that's not clean right now is my bed. Like that's like the one thing I haven't cleaned. I have like a bunch of laundry to do, a random like craft sitting out. So I'm gonna have to clean that, but I did clean my desk and it looks pretty neat, at least how it used to be. There was a bunch of stuff because I was working on an art project, there was paint and stuff everywhere. But anyways, I know that fidget toys are all the rage right now, and that's exactly what my video is gonna be about. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got in the mail. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna go over to my studio. I'm literally so excited to show you guys this. I am like, oh my gosh, you're gonna see. I have everything here laid out on my desk, but it's really messy, so I'm just gonna take a minute to organize it, and then I'll do the big reveal. You guys, look at all these amazing fidgets. Isn't this just like so exciting? I am thrilled, but wait, there's more. Look at this. Check it out. It's a huge poppet. It's so big. It's bigger than my entire head. Like, this thing is huge. Isn't that crazy? And there's one more. This is a super big fidget blanket. It looks like a poppet. I can't wait to open this one. In today's video, I was thinking I'm gonna go around and open every single poppet, including that huge one, all the fidgets, the slimes, the putties, everything, and show you guys all of it. And I'm gonna, pick my favorites, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. I think I'm going to start today's video off with something around here in the middle, and I'm probably going to end biggest for last and save the huge mermaid, because that one is so cool. I'm so excited to open it. But I have to show you some of the ones I already opened because they're just so cute. First, I got this super cute fox. It's like a little rainbow fox. It's just so perfect. I was so happy when I saw she sent this one. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love foxes. And this one is a rainbow owl. Like, look how pretty all the colors are. And look at this banana. It looks so real, right? Like, it looks like it was actually peeled, but it's one of those squishy bananas. So cool, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to start with one of these ones. These ones are so cute. They're the OMG Mega Pop. They are keychains and they are adorable. Look, this one's a donut. I totally love putting these on my bags. I already have a few. One of them is a pineapple and it's so cute. It is the best thing ever to put on your purse or bag. Oh my gosh. Look, it's double-sided. It has the adorable donut design on both sides. That is so cute. And just look how satisfying. I could literally do that all day. And plus it has a little keychain. So cute. I think I'm gonna open this little ice cream one next. You guys, look at this. Can you believe the size of this? It's a rainbow unicorn. It's so big. This is massive. And the second one might even be a little taller than the unicorn. This one is a mermaid. Look at this. And this one's so big. And I love the colors too. Speaking of big things, I have something else very big to show you guys. Look at this, a giant poppet blanket. This is so amazing. Poppet blanket next to two giant poppets. This is awesome. Which one do you guys like best? It's gonna take a long time to pop all these, huh? Just for size reference, guys, look how big these are compared to me. It's crazy. I like how this one has a smaller unicorn design in the center. You guys, those huge poppets are so amazing. I'm just so obsessed with them. They are so cool. But now I'm going to open this rainbow mystery package. I'm really excited because I love color and some of these already look really cute. So let's open it. First we have, oh my gosh, look how cute. It's almost the same thing as this, where it suctions to the table, but it's clouds. That's adorable. You can always cut out some extra parts where I'm like opening this and stuff. Ooh, this one's so soft. It feels so cool. Look at this. Ooh, this one's so satisfying. Next we have Another stress ball. These ones are always super cool. Ooh, look at this. This is a little different than some other ones. Look at that. It has blue and green and white. So pretty. It's so satisfying. I could do this all day. Next we have, ooh, what is this? I don't know what this is, but it actually looks really cool. Let's find out. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at this. It's like a 3D fidget toy almost. That's so satisfying. Wow, this one is really cool. Look at this. You could like move it all around. This one feels so cool. It's probably my favorite in this one so far. That's awesome. Especially the shape, so cool. Ooh, cute. Let's see. I think you're supposed to put it together. Let's see. Oh yes, I think so. Oh yeah, perfect, right? Like this. And it has tiny little slots they fit into. That's cool. I've never seen a puppet you have to assemble before. That's awesome. It's so cute. Look how cute this one is. It's like a little rainbow flying cat. I love it. Next in the rainbow mystery package. Oh, cute. A little keychain. A puppet keychain, of course. Look how cute though. So cute, huh? Ooh, what is this? Might be like a fidget cube. Let's find out. Oh, I think it is. Oh wait, I know what this is. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Look at the colors. It's so pretty and rainbow. These are so satisfying. Look at this. You could just make it into like so many different shapes. These have always been my favorite. They're so cool. Look at this. So awesome. Okay, next I think I'm gonna have to open this one because one of the other big ones that I got, it's not as big as the others, but it also has dice. It's like a puppet game. I'm so excited for this one, especially because it's a rainbow. It's so cute. Ooh, I'm already guessing. I know how this game would work. Look at the tiny little baby dice. Look how pretty it is. I just love the clouds so much. Look, it has like a little star in the middle. So cute. You know what? I think I might just have to play a little round of this game by myself just because it's so fun. And just to show you guys how it works. Pretty simple. So I guess I'll be playing for both. First I have to unpop all of these though. They have to all be up 2 and 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next player goes. 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then whoever fills it up first would win a point. So fun. I love this one so much. It might even be one of my favorites. So satisfying. And these things, like the puppets, especially on this one, are really fun to do. I'm getting distracted. Anyways, I was gonna open this one next, one of the last ones, swirly tie-dye squishy sphere. Whoa, look at this. It's so big, and it really is tie-dye. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is the most cool thing ever. Oh my gosh, it's so big. So before I end this video, I was gonna show you 2 other little fidgets that I got. Just some random ones I thought I'd throw in at the end of the video. Teeny tiny puppet friends. Oh my gosh. Look how tiny. It's a little puppy. These ones are so small. Ooh. I love this one so much. Oh, so satisfying. And the shape, it's so cute. Wait, why is my curtain not behind me? That's a little weird. I might want to fix that. There we go. That's much better. You guys just got a really behind the scenes look. Don't tell anyone. You know what? I can't resist. I have to open this soccer ball next. I mean, I love soccer and just look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. This one is so cool. I love the size too. It's pretty big. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe I forgot to tell you where I got all these amazing fidgets. I got all of them from Mrs. Bench. So thank you so much because I love them all so much. My family actually met Miss Bench at VidCon in a creator lounge and we've been friends ever since. I'm looking at what I should open next and I've kind of been eyeballing what's in this package right here. This one, I don't know what exactly it is, but it looks really cool and I love the colors. And by the way, this is the LED mystery package. Miss Bench has monthly packages. I got the LED one and the rainbow one. I'm so excited to open them both. Whoa, there's actually lights inside of it. Oh, look how cool that is. Do you see the lights? That's so cool. I didn't think you could put lights inside of a fidget like that. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is it like a caterpillar? Whoa, this is so cool. And it has little suction cups on the bottom so it can stick to a desk. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Mrs. Bench, you've done everything right with this one. It's the right colors, it's a little animal, so cute. It's LED lights in the middle, it has suction cups, and it's a poppet. Like, what could she be missing? That was so awesome. I love this one so much. Especially the colors, they're like my favorite ever. This is a pop tube. Oh my gosh, it totally has lights. Here's how it works. It's so satisfying. I love it every time. Look how pretty the lights are. It even has little things so you can recharge it. That's so cool. I also have these ones, but I've never seen one with lights before, so that's pretty awesome. Ooh, bubble fidget. This one looks really cool. Oh, I think it also has lights. Whoa, look how pretty the colors are. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Ooh, that's so satisfying. I love the orange color on that and the pink, so pretty. Ooh, I love these ones. These ones are always so awesome. Look how satisfying. Look! The final item in the LED packet is this one, a pocket keyboard. I'm interested to see what this one's gonna be. Look, it's like an actual keyboard. That's so cool. It's like you're typing, but you're not. It's a fidget. And it has lights. Next, I have a bunch of adorable keychains and BFF ones. I am so excited to open these. They might just be some of my favorites, especially this Nutella one. Look how cute. Comment your favorite set of 2. Look how adorable this one is. It has 4 poppets on it and they have hearts. Ooh, this one's really cute. I'm gonna put this one in my bag. I have a couple more of these pop tubes. You can screw them together. It's so cool. Watch. So cool, right? It's really satisfying putting it back together. All the sounds. Here's 2 other fidgets. One is a ball, one is a dice. Look, it has all of the numbers. I got 2. This one's really pretty because it's glittery. Next, we have these amazing zipper bracelets. I am obsessed. First of all, look at all the cute colors. You can open it and shut it, just like a little bracelet. I can't wait to open this one. It looks so cute. Look at the package. It's already adorable. Oh my gosh, look. It's so squishy. It's actually so cute. It looks so realistic. It looks like an adorable little dumpling. Look how squishy it is. I love this one. I know everyone loves food fidgets, so you guys are gonna love this one. It's s'mores. This is definitely one of my favorites. I haven't even opened it yet, but look how cute it is. It's so cute. I love this one. It totally looks like s'mores. Let's finish this satisfaction. Oh, beautiful. Here's an interesting fidget with cool colors. You push it onto your desk and you slowly peel it off. I love this one. It's so satisfying. Next we have 3 cute animals to open. Starting with this one, the unicorn. I've actually never played with these type of fidgets before. They're so cool. Look at this. It's like a mini Pop-It. Look, it even has a little suction cup on the bottom. So you can just stand on the table. Ooh, this is a shark. This one's really cool. It's like blue and white tie-dye. I love it. And this one is a cute black and white tie-dye panda. They look so cute by each other. Sorry, my inner Mrs. Johnson came out for a second. Well, you guys, I had a lot of fun opening Pop-Its today. I had so many that were like so cool that I just absolutely loved. I definitely had some favorites. I think I'm going to show you guys all my favorites right now. So, as far as all the small fidgets, I'm going to have to say I have a few favorites. This is going to be the first one. I love this one so much. So cool. And then I really like the Nutella bread, the cookie. Can maybe have more favorites. They're all so cool. How can I choose? I really like this popsicle. And then, oh yeah, I really did like this little keyboard one. This one is so cool. It's like actually typing on a keyboard. And then my other favorite would probably be this big rainbow one right here with the dice. This one is super fun. Plus I love like the cloud design and stuff. Oh yeah, and the s'mores one is definitely my other favorite. So s'mores, keyboard, rainbow star, cookie, popsicle, and Nutella. I have to say my other favorite is probably that big unicorn. That one was awesome. Well, anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment your favorite fidget out of all of these because they are all pretty awesome. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!